And trust me, if I can lose weight, you can definitely lose weight. Y'all, I am so excited for this video because I am sharing something that I am so incredibly proud of. So I'm gonna share with you how I lost 30 pounds in 6 months. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So we're gonna jump right into it. I don't want to waste any time. I'm gonna tell you how I was able to actually lose weight during quarantine when everyone was actually gaining weight. Yeah, it was kind of difficult because, you know, when you're stuck at home, you tend to want to just make things, random pies or cakes, or, you know, it's like we have so many quarantine chefs all of a sudden. But listen, self-discipline is sexy. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it, right? So tip number 1 is I literally wrote down everything that I ate for the day, and I actually have the notebook here. I bought myself a new notebook. You don't have to go that extreme, you know, you can use any old notebook. I'm sure you have notebooks with half of the pages blank, or, you know, blank sheets, file sheets, whatever you have. But I literally got myself a notebook and I wrote down everything that I ate for the day. For example, day 6, for breakfast I had 2 scrambled eggs. For lunch I had fish, red beans, lentils, raw vegetables. And for dinner I had 2 ripe guavas, 1 tablespoon of lentils, and 1 ripe plantain. So I literally wrote down everything that I ate. This was really helpful because it held me accountable for what I was eating throughout the day. And I can recall one day that it was a cheat day. I actually had myself a slice of cake and I think a malt. And about 2 days later, I wanted to eat hot local bread and cheese. But I couldn't for the life of me remember what day that I actually ate the cake, because I would have cheat days randomly throughout the week. So the notebook was really helpful because I could see that, hey, you've already had a cheat day this week. You cannot have another cheat day. So that just really helped me. It's something that you should consider, right? Tip number 2 is I had to change my whole relationship with food. I was someone who would tend to overindulge. For example, if I go to a restaurant or a party and there's something I really like, I would have maybe more than one. So I came to realize that, hey, food isn't going anywhere. There will always be an abundance of food no matter where you go, what country you visit. There will always be yummy food. That's never gonna change. So obviously you should taste or enjoy different foods, different cultures, but you don't have to overindulge. Like 1 slice of pizza or 2 slices of pizza is okay. You don't need to have 4, 5, or 6, right? So guys, self-discipline is sexy, okay? This is the body that I will have for the rest of my life. I don't always want to be tired, lethargic. I cannot run or walk how I want to. I just want to feel good, wake up feeling great, wake up feeling healthy. As for working out, I didn't really have a set schedule when it came to working out. I would literally sometimes go running 5 times a week, sometimes once a week, sometimes 0 times a week. It all depends on how I felt personally, but I would stick to Body Project, which are YouTube videos. You can get them for free. Just search Body Project. Sometimes I would go running if I felt like getting out, you know, just getting some fresh air, leaving the house. Or sometimes I would do nothing. I would literally maybe do the first 5 minutes of Body Project, then sit down and just watch the rest of the video like it was a movie. I swear. So and my last tip is change your diet. Okay, I am not gonna tell you to go on a fad diet. For example, I've tried keto diet, but it was not sustainable for me personally because I couldn't afford the things on there like the keto powder, etc. Now I'm not knocking a keto diet because I have a cousin who actually went on the keto diet and she lost about 40 pounds. She looks great. So if it's something that you can afford to do, then fine, but you need to do your research. Okay, I also tried to go on a smoothie diet, but the ingredients for the smoothie, like the strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, it was just something that I couldn't afford. Like, for example, a small tube of strawberries in the Caribbean, you literally get about 10 strawberries and it costs about $30. I can't afford to go on a smoothie diet. So what I did personally was cut down my portions. If I would have a bowl of pasta and 3 pieces of chicken, then I cut down to half a bowl of pasta and 1 chicken. So it's not really that you have to change what you eat. It's just that you eat less of what you're already eating. Does that make sense? So it will also help you save money because you're eating less. You don't really have to change your food budget that much. There's no secret for losing weight, okay? There's no fad diet. There's no magic pill. There's no secret. Just get moving, get active, eat less. That's it. And trust me, if I can lose weight, you can definitely lose weight because I am a food addict. Okay, I love food. I love greasy, fried, sweet. I love it all. So if I can do it, you can do it. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys a short video about 3 or 4 minutes of me going running, my route, what I usually do, and yeah. So guys, I have just run, walk and jog about 20 minutes so far. Usually I do 45 minutes in one direction and 45 minutes back. So I just started. So far so good. I'm exhausted. And I am gonna show you guys my my run, my path, like what road I use. So yeah, let's get this. Let's put in this work. No pain, no gain. This is the road that I jog like at least maybe 3 times a week. I don't do it every day, but this week I'm gonna do it every day so I can document my weight loss. It's an experiment. So what I usually do is I sprint from one pole to the next, then I jog from the second pole to the third pole, then I walk from that pole to the next pole. So it's sprint, then jog, then walk, and sprint, jog, walk, and I do it all over again. So let's go. Whew. Let's get it, go. So I literally just completed my 45 minutes run in one direction. Now I need to do 45 minutes in the other direction to make up my 2 miles. Whew. I'm exhausted, but like I said, no pain, no gain. So let's do this. Check back with you when I'm home. Home at last, home at last. I am exhausted. Good run, worth it, amazing, amazing. So after my run, this is usually what I do. We have in here 1 cup of almond milk and 1 ripe banana. Then I add 1 tablespoon or sometimes 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. And last, we add 1 cup of whey protein, chocolate whey protein. And yeah, that's it. I keep it very simple. Then I just blend it up in my blender, and yeah, so good.